Let's make my healthy honey sriracha chicken tenders. They're so crispy using no oil. Cut your chicken into strips, season with garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, sriracha, and homemade buttermilk. Mix that well, then in a separate bowl add crushed cornflakes. Add the same seasoning you just used and mix. Then you want to take the chicken from the wet batter into the crumbs, then straight onto a baking tray. Make sure each piece is well coated, then bake in the oven for 18 minutes. For the sauce you need sriracha, honey, and lemon juice. Mix till completely smooth. Then cover the chicken with the sauce and that's it. Enjoy while they're hot.